To access the built-in memory and see what your agent remembers about you so far, that's stuff like your name, preferences, and anything else that you've shared, just ask it. I'll go ahead and type, "Show me what you remember about me so far." I'll send this. So my Hermes agent doesn't know much about me just yet. However, here's what it does know. It knows that my name is Caleb, that I'm using Hermes through Telegram, I'm interested in Hermes skills, especially for video research and planning, and that I've asked for a repeatable workflow around researching trending AI tools. Here it tells me what it doesn't have yet, and it can also tell me about my current project interests, what it has saved as persistent memory, or it can save any new preference that you want it to remember going forward. So here next, I'm going to say, remember that I like my responses to be short and direct. No long explanations unless they are needed. So I'll send this message to save a new preference into its memory. And then right here, you can see that Hermes has added it into its memory. To confirm that, I'm going to go ahead and pull up the memory again. So I'll say, show me your memory again. And then right here, you can see that it added exactly what I said. It says that I prefer responses to be short and direct with no long explanations unless needed. Now, every response going forward with my agent will follow that preference. So with this, you have a lot of control over what Hermes remembers about you. If you find it consistently doing something you don't like, you can pull up its memory, see if it saved that as a preference, and tell it to forget it. So not only can you add new things into its memory, you can also remove them too. And you can do all of this right here within Telegram. With Hermes, you're always the one deciding what it keeps in its memory.